Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Netflix. You will go here to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Netflix and you will click here in this page. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page we click on Play Store. You will search about the application of Netflix. And here you will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.